获得，获得，获得。
Get. Obtain.
Get. Obtain.
他在演讲比赛中获得了第一名。他在演讲比赛中获得了第一名。他在演讲比赛中获得了第一名。
He won first place in the speech contest.
He won first place in the speech contest.
要想获得别人的尊重，必须先学会尊重别人。要想获得别人的尊重，必须先学会尊重别人。要想获得别人的尊重，必须先学会尊重别人。
If you want to gain the respect of others, you must first learn to respect others.
If you want to gain the respect of others, you must first learn to respect others.
经过多年的研修，他终于获得了博士学位。经过多年的研修，他终于获得了博士学位。经过多年的研修，他终于获得了博士学位。
After years of study, he finally obtained his doctorate.
After years of study, he finally obtained his doctorate.
情况，情况，情况。
Circumstances. Situation.
Circumstances. Situation.
一般情况下，我们都是按照程序办事的。一般情况下，我们都是按照程序办事的。一般情况下，我们都是按照程序办事的。
Under normal circumstances, we all follow procedures.
Under normal circumstances, we all follow procedures.
现在情况不一样了，比以前好多了。现在情况不一样了，比以前好多了。现在情况不一样了，比以前好多了。
Things are different now, much better than before.
Things are different now, much better than before.
有任何情况要及时向我报告。有任何情况要及时向我报告。有任何情况要及时向我报告。
Please report any situation to me promptly.
Please report any situation to me promptly.
例如，例如，例如。
For example. For instance. Such as.
For example. For instance. Such as.
我喜欢的运动很多，例如爬山、游泳、打羽球等。我喜欢的运动很多，例如爬山、游泳、打羽球等。我喜欢的运动很多，例如爬山、游泳、打羽球等。
I like many sports, such as hiking, swimming, playing badminton, etc.
I like many sports, such as hiking, swimming, playing badminton, etc.
他的兴趣很多，例如跳舞、烹饪、学习外语等。他的兴趣很多，例如跳舞、烹饪、学习外语等。他的兴趣很多，例如跳舞、烹饪、学习外语等。
She has many interests, such as dancing, cooking, learning foreign languages, etc.
She has many interests, such as dancing, cooking, learning foreign languages, etc.
少吃高糖食物，例如糖果、蛋糕、甜点、汽水等。少吃高糖食物，例如糖果、蛋糕、甜点、汽水等。少吃高糖食物，例如糖果、蛋糕、甜点、汽水等。
Eat less high-sugar foods such as candies, cakes, desserts, sodas, etc.
Eat less high-sugar foods such as candies, cakes, desserts, sodas, etc.
举办，举办，举办。
Hold.
Hold.
商场正在举办各种各样的促销活动。商场正在举办各种各样的促销活动。商场正在举办各种各样的促销活动。
The mall is holding various promotions.
The mall is holding various promotions.
爸爸为我举办生日派对。爸爸为我举办生日派对。爸爸为我举办生日派对。
Dad held a birthday party for me.
Dad held a birthday party for me.
学校将在明天举办一场慈善晚会。学校将在明天举办一场慈善晚会。学校将在明天举办一场慈善晚会。
The school will host a charity party tomorrow.
The school will host a charity party tomorrow.
个
Various. Different.
Various. Different.
桌子上有各种各样的食物。桌子上有各种各样的食物。桌子上有各种各样的食物。
There are various kinds of food on the table.
There are various kinds of food on the table.
这三款民族服装各有各的特点。这三款民族服装各有各的特点。这三款民族服装各有各的特点。
Each of these three types of national costumes has its own characteristics.
Each of these three types of national costumes has its own characteristics.
来自世界各地的选手陆续抵达会场。来自世界各地的选手陆续抵达会场。来自世界各地的选手陆续抵达会场。
Players from all over the world arrived at the venue one after another.
Players from all over the world arrived at the venue one after another.
降低。降低。降低。
Reduce.
Reduce.
为了降低成本，他使用了更便宜的材料。为了降低成本，他使用了更便宜的材料。为了降低成本，他使用了更便宜的材料。
To keep costs down, he used cheaper materials.
To keep costs down, he used cheaper materials.
使用廉价材料会降低产品质量。使用廉价材料会降低产品质量。使用廉价材料会降低产品质量。
Using cheap materials reduces product quality.
Using cheap materials reduces product quality.
降低价格是为了提高产品的竞争力。降低价格是为了提高产品的竞争力。降低价格是为了提高产品的竞争力。
The price reduction is to improve the competitiveness of the product.
The price reduction is to improve the competitiveness of the product.
谢谢观看。